She goes alright.
Well, I think 14 through.
That explains it.
It was only on 7.2 yesterday. Well, I tried it. I stuck 14 on it. Thought, well, the speed controller can take it, whether the motor can or not. But if it goes bang, I'll just throw another motor at it.
Oh yeah.
I mean, it needs modification because like the steering on it is a bit abysmal. Yeah, but some of them had like twin rudders, didn't they?
Oh yeah.
Well, I mean, that, it's like, it pivots too much, it's got no support at the top, you know.
Again, it's something different for the pond, isn't it?
Well, that's it, yeah. That's what I mean, it's different, you know me, Lance.
Oh yeah. Ha 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 ha.